This is a short video showing the 8 movements of the hip halo. I start out with the lateral step, and I'm not doing full reps here, just one side to the other. I have the band just above my knees, then I'm turning, and the next is the cowboy step, just kind of small shuffles there, and then you go backwards doing a side step. That was a real challenge for me at first. And then I'm going onto the mat and I'm extending my knees out and doing some bridge work, and then single leg bridges, engaging, full engagement here, keeping the core tight. Actually supposed to do 7 on each side. And then I'm moving to one of the harder ones for me, is just the plank, where I don't even look that great in the video. I bend my knees, I've got my hips slightly bent, but you're supposed to go out 2 seconds, hold it 2 seconds, come back to the middle, come out 2 seconds, and moving on to the fire hydrant. A little unsteady there, but I'm much better at it now. And then just regular squats, extending the knees out, going into 10 squats. And then I'm throwing in a little extra from the strength protocol here, the clam shells. I used clam shells quite a bit in my recovery, post-surgery rehab. You basically put your toes, touch your toes, and extend your knees out on your side. And this was one of the harder exercises for me at first. For more details and much better videos, go to the Crossover Symmetry website and read more about the hip halo, and email me if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.